Your honest review. Watch before using. Most people think subscription billing is simple, but here's the surprising truth. As your business grows, billing mistakes, failed payments, and confusing invoices can silently destroy your cash flow. That's where Zuora comes in. Zuora is a subscription management and billing platform built for companies that sell recurring services. It is used by software companies, media platforms, streaming services, and membership-based businesses that need reliable recurring billing systems. Zuora handles pricing plans, recurring invoices, payment processing, upgrades, downgrades, proration, and revenue recognition. This means your billing automatically adjusts when customers change plans, pause subscriptions, or cancel. Here's what most people get wrong. They think Zuora is just another payment processor. In reality, it is a full subscription operations engine. It tracks customer life cycles, manages complex pricing models, and supports compliance for revenue reporting. One of Zuora's biggest strengths is flexibility. You can create monthly, annual, usage-based, or hybrid billing models. This makes it ideal for businesses that want to offer free trials, discounts, add-ons, or custom enterprise plans. However, the surprising truth is that Zuora is not designed for small startups or solo creators. It has a learning curve, and pricing is higher than simple billing tools. You are paying for automation, compliance, and scalability. Zuora is best for companies that are already scaling or planning to scale. Businesses processing thousands of recurring payments each month benefit the most because automation reduces billing errors and customer churn. The surprising truth is that broken billing systems quietly kill growth. Zuora focuses on preventing that by making subscription operations predictable and transparent. If your business relies on recurring revenue, Zuora can become one of your most valuable back-end tools. Subscribe to the channel for more honest business software reviews and smart growth strategies.